Hi! In front of me is Google Pixel Fold, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in split screen view. First of all, select one of your apps that you wish to use in this view and leave it open in the background. Then select the other one. And this time access background apps right away. Now you need to select Spleen at the bottom right corner below an app that you wish to use on the right side of your screen. Then select the other one by tapping on it. As you can see, now I can use both at the same time. If you want to go back from this mode, drag one of your apps all the way to the right or to the left and click on Home button. You can also click on one of your apps, then hold the other one at the bottom of your screen, like maybe place there again, and drag it to the right or to the left. When you see this blue area, let go. Then go back the same way as before. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!